Hello everyone, welcome back to our sessions on Power BI. Today we'll be discussing about one of the most important kind of visualization which you'll be using a lot in your day-to-day requirements, in your projects, in your reports, in Power BI reports. That is bar charts. Okay, so that is very simple. You know that how to create the bar chart. So you have to just click on any of these bars. So these are all bar charts, but it varies like bar charts, horizontal, vertical, stack bars and all that. Okay, so here you see the stack bar chart. Okay, so here it is a stack bar chart. Okay, if you just create any of the sales column that says sales and you have region. Okay, so it just opposite. So here you have region and here you got, so you got count of region. This is basically like, since it is a vertical, that's the reason it is converting that way. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll just say x-axis as sales and y-axis as, okay, sum of sales. So here you got it. Okay, so you got this as similar way stuff this way. This is a horizontal one, this is a vertical one. Okay, so you got a bar chart. So this is something very simple, which is you all might have seen it, or if you are new to Power BI, then it's pretty straightforward here. Okay, so you can create the bar charts like this. Okay, but one thing here is you can create stacking here. So stack bar chart. So for stacking is nothing but like, let's say south region is there. So this is the number or something whatever we are getting, 1.18 $118,000 or whatever number is coming. But how this is divided into different categories or segments. So for that, what I'll do, let's say I'll say category. I'll drag on the legend here. So what it happens, what it does, it creates the segmentations. Okay, this is called stacking. Stacking means one on the top of other. Okay, so this is, let's say we were having this, another one sits on top of this, and then another one sits on top of it, because we have three categories only. That's the reason three segments. If I have more categories, then it will be more segments. Very simple. Okay, this is fine. But let's say I want to create a 100% stack bar. Okay, what it does, like, it will show you the values. Now if I say labels here, okay, okay, so here you have the labels, and you can even get the total values, also total bars. Okay, so you got this. So here it is. This is one of the perfect requirement. You will be using this thing a lot. Okay, this is something which we have been using a lot in any kind of visualization tool, whether it's Excel, Power BI, Tableau, Spotfire or anything else. Okay, so this is very common requirement. Now sometimes users will say, okay, they will come up with a new requirement where they will say, okay, this is okay, you are showing me 41k, 39k, 38k and all that stuff, but I want to see percentages also. So how do you show the percentages? Means it should be 41k, but what is the percent of 41k under 118k? Okay, so this is something what you need. So for that, what we'll do, we will just create a, okay, so let's say sum of sales. Here we will go percent of grand total. Okay, so what it does, it shows you percent of grand total, but if you notice that it is giving you percent of grand total on overall data. So 30 of overall sales, 34 is coming from west. Okay, 30% is coming from east, central is coming 18, and south, for south it is 70%. But I do not want on overall data, I need for every region. So how to get that? So for that, it is again very straightforward. So what you can do, you can just, okay, go to your charts and just say let's say 100% stack bars. Okay, so make it as 100% and you are good to go with this. Okay, so this is something what you can easily do it. Okay, so here you got for every region, 32 is coming from south, and uh, it's 33% coming from of south office supplies, and this is for technology. So you got 100% stack bars. So this is how you can create 100% stack bars. Okay, it's your choice how you want to create it. Okay, so this is vertical stacks, this is horizontal stack, 100% stack bars. It's all up to you that how you want to use. This is called side by side bars. Okay, same information, but as each bar for every category. Okay, it depends on the requirement, that how you want to create and how you want to show the information to the users. Okay, so you have to make sure that users like this. So this is same thing, side by side, horizontal and vertical. Okay, so this is how you can create your charts, you can create your 100% stack bars. I hope you might have liked this. Okay, if you have liked this, please like, share, comment on this video, and share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much. Have a great day.